Hey folks, I'm going to teach you how not to lose your home to a nursing home. Nursing homes, private pay, are about $20,000 per month. And if you own a home with equity and your home is in your name, in your spouse's name, your home is at risk to being lost to a nursing home. If you have a will and you think you are protected, sadly you're not, because your will legally is your admission ticket to probate court. When your affairs go to probate court and a will goes to probate court, there's a legal requirement to send a copy of your probate petition along with a copy of your death certificate to Mass Health Medicaid. Their clerk is trained to plug your information into their state computer database to see if they paid any benefits to you or your spouse during your lifetimes. And if they did, now they're permitted by law to put a lien on your house, to put a lien specifically on your estate that's in the probate court. Folks, write this down because I'm going to teach you how to stay off the radar. Legally, permissibly, you create your trust in step one with your estate elder law attorney. And then in step two, you're legally transferring your home into your trust. That is a legal process of trust funding. Think of your trust like a treasure chest. You don't want to keep it empty. You want to transfer your home into the trust from your name as the owner to the name of the trust that you create as the new owner. That's how you avoid probate court, and that's how you avoid notifying Mass Health Medicaid that you passed away. If you're receiving Mass Health Medicaid benefits before you pass away, hopefully your house is in what we call an irrevocable Medicaid asset protection trust. Or if you're a veteran, it should be called a Veterans Asset Protection Trust. And folks, that is completely legal and permissible by law to protect your house in these Medicaid Asset Protection Trusts. They're irrevocable in nature, but it needs to be done how many years in advance? That is correct. 5-year look back period, folks. So when to get the clock started is when you're alive and well. Transfer your treasure, your home, to your trust, preferably an irrevocable Medicaid asset protection type trust. That's the best way, from my experience, to protect the family home from that $20,000 per month nursing home. Folks, a caveat, a warning. Make sure when you do this type of planning, you do it with an experienced elder law attorney that is not just familiar with Medicaid planning, but also familiar with the tax code, because you want your loved one beneficiaries also to get a stepped up in basis to avoid paying an enormous capital gains tax as well. Okay, very, very important, folks, that you cross the T's and dot the I's, not just to beat the 5-year look back period to protect your home from a nursing home, but also protect it from capital gains tax as well. That's called Internal Revenue Code 1014, step up in basis. And you want to write that down so when you're meeting with your elder law attorney, you can ask them that question. Hey, we're going to avoid the capital gains tax here as well, correct? Folks, hopefully you found this educational video helpful. Make sure you click the subscribe button and the notification bell, because we will keep you updated on other very important elder law subject matter. And folks, I also created a guide on how to protect your home from the nursing home. Click the link below to learn more. Folks, I look forward to seeing you next time here at elderlawcare.com.